I just called to say I love you. There's my nana was one of my most favourite people in all of my life, and she taught me 2 songs and many things, but she always used to say life is without money. She said, well, as that doesn't matter what she used to say, but she was always positive. Even when she was throwing up blood, she understood a smile goes a long, long way. And that is where I get my positivity from. From her, I inherited it. And in a moment of doubt, we always used to do one thing. We used to dance the birdie song with a little bit of this and a little bit of that. And shake your bum, na 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 na, with a little bit of this and a little bit of that. And shake your bum, na 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 na. My nana always used to know how to have fun.